Hey guys, come on in. Check out how I use some of Team Lodge products in my own DIY bamper build. Come on in, check it out. Starting up here in the front, we got kind of our lodging area. I utilize the Team Lodge double bunk here. So this has the ability to fold up against the wall, give you a bunch of floor space, and then also fold down into the couch. And so then you have another spot for seating. Works super great, mounted in here super easy, and they work awesome. Another thing we got here is the overhead tote storage. These work super sweet, just cleans up the floor space, and you can utilize all that space along the ceiling. Coming around here into the back of the bamper, I have a little more tote storage here. Just another great product by Team Lodge, just cleans up the floor and everything in it. Just makes everything super sweet about it. So yeah, check us out, see how our products can help you in your enclosed trailer, camper, bamper. Yeah, we have products for everyone and everything, so give us a call, see how we can help you out.